yeah. You know, even try to, nobody can match you.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is WiloSheby, and in this channel I share with you some of education videos, travel videos, vlogs, and my whole experience here in Poland. So I encourage you to join my family by subscribing to my channel and click on the notification button so you won't miss anything when I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for turning today's video. So guys, in today's video we are heading to IKEA. I'm going for IKEA shopping, and I was thinking that I can come with you guys. So yeah, let's go for IKEA shopping, guys, and I will show you the prices in IKEA, guys. So let's the adventure begin. So guys, actually up there is place for furnitures and other stuff, but for us we just came to a shop for kitchen utensils. So as you can see, I will show you guys around. Today I'm not using my GoPro, so I'm not that flexible, but I will show you guys. So as you can see, guys, here is place for kitchen utensils. So I will be selecting kitchen utensils. Okay, you say you need this. You need the plastic one, or we can take the glass one. Small or big?
This one looks okay.
Oh, let's check how much is the pans. I throw away the pants. Oh, this one.
Yep.
We take maybe the gray one. This color? Huh? This one is what we wanted, right?
Coffee.
Tak. But oh, and this. This one, I don't know the price here. Oh, it's 8 zloty. This one is for I don't know, guys, in English. For squeezing the lemon, yes. For squeezing the lemon, I want this for squeezing the lemon, and the price is 13 zloty. And I'm trying to look for something else interesting. Oh, scissors. Oh, I need scissors. Scissors is 18 zloty. So we also take the wine glasses. This, they say it's typical for white wine, but why? I like them. Why it can also be for red wine? So we take this. It can be for red wine. And this is the price. So here they have different kind of knife, forks, and small spoons. not knife. Yeah, knife. So we took this one, which is 119, 120, almost 120, and they look nice. More than this one. The spoon is like big, so we select this one. So these are the blankets. They have different size and different. If like this, it means I don't know, warm or something. This is like warmer. And if it's like I don't know, if it's this color, it means that very hot. And these are the prices. The prices differ with according to the size. For example, this is this size. So for this size, the price is this, and so on for other sizes. But there is linen. One linen there, I really like it. The one over there, that one, it was really cute. And they have like some set of bathroom set. So this is only the price of this mirror. This mirror is for the bathroom, yeah. And the sink. And they have different options. That is me. Oh, that bathroom is nice. That one is actually very cute. This one is the same. We can open. Oh. Oh, and this is my full outfit, guys. Today is Saturday and it's actually warm here in Poland. So I was checking this mirror and this mirror is 150. They have white and black for that size. And they have bigger size is 600. And the other type of mirrors. Okay, I need to go now. Hello. Stay US. No. And what? So here is a section of flowers. They have natural flowers and fake flowers, which are really beautiful. These ones are fake. for the factory costs this much. Oh, I bet this is only for this one, for the container. They also start to have summer flowers. And this is everything that we bought. Yeah. A lot. We bought a lot. So guys, these are all the things that we bought from IKEA. As you can see, and together with these ones and many more there. Yeah. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have watched this video till this far, please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.
Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side.